What is currently happening with AMC? Let's break it down. Just a reminder that I manage a portfolio dedicated to AMC, and my current positions in AMC look like this. If anyone is interested in what's happening, you can see my portfolio again. Let's see what's going on. Currently, AMC is down by 8, and this is how my AMC positions look right now. The overall loss is just under $1,000, but don't forget about the purchased options. As we can see, the purchased options are giving almost $300, so the losses are around $600 in AMC. Let's take another look at the table to see who is involved in options. You may notice that at the moment, most of my positions are hedged. As you can see, I have below $3, and losses will not increase under 20 options, and below $2 under 30 options, I use hedge. I sold, reminding you, options. So there is nothing to worry about. On the contrary, it's very good. Here, I won't add a new line because I usually add it every week. So there's no point in keeping track of these lines. I remind you that none of my options have closed yet, but since I rolled them over, the time decay is working and new profits are accumulating slowly. What will I do at the moment? How will I manage the positions? Guys, everything is real in real time. No bloggers will show or tell you such things. They will draw charts, talk about breakouts, forget all that. Let's really see how I trade. First, I open the options chain in my broker's interface. Then I choose more expiration dates and a greater number of strikes. This is better. Okay, what do we have at the moment? The fourth strike currently costs $37. I also want to compare volatility. We see a very interesting moment. The February options, specifically on February 16, have risen sharply. Volatility was 91. Now it's over 100. We will play on this. Let me add more strikes for September and for January 25. What do we have now? Well, let's look at open interest. It's concentrated on 4, 3.5, and 2.5 strikes. Good. Let's quickly look at volatility. I want to play it. For me personally, everything becomes clear. My friends, you might ask, what exactly becomes clear? Where will the price go? I tell you, I don't know where the price will go. My goal is not to predict the price move. I'm not here for a show. My goal is to manage positions skillfully. These data allow managing positions wisely. Yes, I may lose money here as well, but at the moment, I'm outpacing AMC. If AM goes bankrupt, I'll lose money too, but not here. But I'm ahead of AMC. Do you understand the essence? That's my task, to outpace AMC, not to make money. Based on this data, what I want to do right now is buy more protective puts at $2. Someone will say, this is madness. It's unlikely that AMEC will drop to $2. My friends, it doesn't matter whether it drops to $2 or not. I'm following a strategy, remember. At the moment, I'm buying 20 puts at $22. As you can see, I bought 20 puts at $22. I immediately add it to the table, writing 20 puts, costing $22 each. Great. I spent $440. Why did I do this? My friends, solely to play this value. As we see, the maximum volume is at 2, 3, and there is none at 3.5. My friends, 3.5 is a complete miss. If we reach 4, that's good. I'll be selling options. I'll sell options for 4 for this week to eat up all this volatility. I'll also sell 10 of them. Great, 10 options. I sell. What do? I immediately write sell in the table options for 4, quantity 10 at a price of $37. Don't forget the commission. Here, there was a $13 commission for buying options and an $11 commission for selling options. I immediately record the commission plus $13 here, plus $11 here. I also note $37. I also check if there's anything interesting for next week, but the results are not particularly interesting. I could sell another 3.5, but that's too risky. I could sell another 4.5. Let's see if we can roll them over. $83 and $87. They sell quite well. I had another 4.5 options. As you can see, I also bought 5. I also sold 5 with a strike of 4.5 for this week. The price is $83. I immediately record it. We have a new deal. So I write down 5 options, $83 each. Let's check the commission, which is $5. I round it up to 6, rounding up my profit to $6. Everything is fine. At the moment, I have almost $6,000 involved here. As you can see, I am no longer buying calls. I will definitely buy calls for hedging when there is a better opportunity. I will buy calls to hedge in the future. About the account, we will definitely talk about it again. I remind you of my concept. I use professional options strategies. Under no circumstances should you copy me. You will definitely lose money even if you copy me exactly. I guarantee it. No chances not to lose money, especially on such a risky stock like AMC. First, forget everything bloggers told you. Everything they say is purely for views. You watch and give these bloggers money. It's all just a show. Where will AMC go? Again, I remind you of my strategy and my position. I assert that predicting price movements is impossible. I don't know where the price will go. The most important thing is skilled position management. What am I doing? I won't make predictions. I won't draw that AMC will go to Moss or down 100 in the world. No hype here. I just don't know. Can it go down? Yes, it can go down. That's why I have protective puts. Can it go up? Yes, it can go up. In principle, all my positions at the moment are directed upwards. Again, I want AMC to grow. As you can see, for those who understand options, I have a long position. I sold puts, but it's a long position on AMC. It's also in my interest for it to rise. Do you understand the essence? So I'm in your position. I'm with you, my friends, but I'm not trying to deceive anyone. I'm showing everything as it is. I won't tell you and show you why AMC went there now. Friends, if it went, it already went. There's no point in convincing why it went there. It's already gone. We need to work with what we have, maneuver out of the current situation. What am I doing now? I'm maneuvering out of AMC positions. My friends, I'll keep you updated, definitely. If something interesting happens, I'll record another video for sure. But if we're in consolidation, I won't make a video unless it's a weekly summary. Yes, I summarize AMC every week. We'll record them here. Also, I will simultaneously expand the number of stocks. I will add stocks that we are outpacing. Currently, I have a strategy for outpacing the CFB 500. I also have a strategy for outpacing AMC. Maybe I'll add a few more stocks that interest people like Tesla or Sophie stock. Subscribe to the channel. Keep following, keep trading, and good luck to everyone.